Whoa! Man, I wheelied up that thing. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing freaking awesome. Woo! It's a beautiful day out here in Vermont. Gotta love it. So today I decided I'm going to do another snowmobile video for you guys because it's such a nice day out, you know? Woo! Yeah! Look at all this fresh powder. It's so nice out, and if you guys have been keeping up with the weather, you would know, again, we got hammered with yet another storm. Snowstorm something or other. I don't remember the name. I'll put it on the screen though. And for like 3 days straight, we just got hammered with snow. I heard somewhere it was around 58 inches here in Vermont, which is absolutely crazy. So yeah, snowmobile conditions are prime right now. Woo! And I love it. Whoa, almost fell off on that one. So there's a couple things I need to do today. One of which is go to the post office. The other is, if you watched one of the last videos, I think it was the last video actually. I lose track of the videos, but if you watched the last video, Mike and I went camping in a Adirondack shack, and we saw some binoculars. I'll probably put the clip of it right here.
Someone left there by the bird watching specs.
Binoculars.
My God, where's the moon? We're gonna find it.
And as it turns out, I got an email the next day from the guy who watched the video. His name was Ben. He's actually the one who suggested going there. And he said, those are my granddaughter's binoculars. So I told him I'd go get them for him. So that's what I'm doing today. Got a buzz over there on the snowmobile. And yeah, we'll see where the adventure takes us. All right, let's cross the road here. No cars coming. Ooh. Oh yeah, so much powder. So much powder. Alright, so I got a picture right here on this road. Just like that. Oh. And we'll buzz down here for a bit. Man, such a nice day outside. Sun shining, it's not too cold. I love it. It's perfect for snowmobiling. Whoa! There's a cliff right there, which would totally suck to go down on a snowmobile. Let's see how fast we can get this thing, huh? Oh boy! Oh yeah! That'll wake you up in the morning. Oh boy! All right, road closed for winter. It's been the weirdest past couple winters, I swear. Like 2 years in a row, we got barely any snow, and now this year we're just getting hammered, which is crazy. That's not the way to go. This is the way to go right here. There we go. I'm gonna see if I can make it down there on my snowmobile. I should be able to. It's kind of like a little path. Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. I forgot there's a tree down over here. Looks like I'll have to walk the rest of the way. Bummer. I don't know if I can ride over it either. It's a little too big for that. Let me go check it out. Maybe I could get through there, just maybe, if I went around it. Let's see what's underneath here. My skis would probably get caught on that. Oh yeah. I think, oh, hey, there's a chance. Yeah. Let's see what else is there. There is a chance. Break this thing off. Some deep snow here, my friends. What is that, a big rock? A big mound or something? Yeah, why don't we try it, huh? I think we can do it. Oh yeah, we got it. Easy. So this is the first road that we do not take. We go past it. There should be a second road over here. So is that a road? Looks like some deer have been here. Is that the road? I don't remember. Huh. Ah, let's try it. Oh yeah, I think this is the one. Whoa. I thought that was a barbed wire. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, the Adirondack Shack is right over there. Mike and I walked through here. We got lost a little bit, and we were actually right next to it. I'm pretty sure this is a place. It was dark when we came here, if you didn't watch the video, but I think this is the place. Alright, I'll leave the sled there because I don't know if I can make it over here. Whew. What a beautiful sight. Snowmobile and fresh powder. Whew. And what a beautiful day. Yes. I love seeing the snow on the trees like that. It's like you're in Narnia or something. Okay. Is that the place? Yeah, I see the roof. There's the old shack. See if the binoculars are still there. Something tells me nobody else has been here since us, though. Are they here? Oh, there they are. Here you go, Ben. Here's your binoculars. I'll bring them back for you. Oh, I swear, it is so hot out here. Oh. Well, I'm not going to complain because it's been like below zero for the past 4 days, except for today. Oh, isn't that little shack cool though? A little Adirondack shack in the woods for anybody to camp in. Some even split wood. Pretty great. I'm glad we got these binoculars for you, Ben. I'll bring them back. Okay. Oh, freaking K. Okay. Oh, I'm sweating so bad. I'm sure all you're hearing in the microphone is heavy breathing. Whew. There's the whole sled. Oh, I missed you. It's been 5 minutes. This was just far too long. Whew, I gotta catch my breath again. Alright, here we go. Time to turn this baby around. Right through here. Hopefully there's no big logs in the way. Just like that. Nice little U-turn. Man, it is really cool out here. I should explore out here more often. There's a lot of little trails and stuff. Here's our favorite tree. Let's see if we can do it again. Oh yeah, easy stuff. Alright, so that's done. Now I can make my way over to the post office and we'll go from there. There's a beaver dam right there. Should I go in there? Go hang out with the beavers? The angry beavers. You guys remember that show? Alright, I'm going to take a detour. I just have to. I have to take a detour. So much snow in my face. Oh, this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Wow, that's cold on the neck. Wow. Ah, I should bring a neck warmer next time. Oh, my GoPro's all covered in snow. Alright, just like that, I'll bomb back on the road here. Ooh, flip my snow machine over. Alright, what am I doing? I gotta go to the post office. That's what I gotta do. Post office, here we go. Here we go. Ugh. See, it's little sections like that that make me wonder if I hit this, is there going to be a giant log underneath me and am I going to flip over the handlebars? Luckily that hasn't happened too many times. Wait a second, do I have my keys? My P.O Box keys? I think I do. Pretty sure I do. By the way, if you guys missed it in the last, or one of the last videos, I set up a P.O Box for you guys to be able to send me stuff. I'll put my P.O Box number, address on the screen right now. I'll also put it in the description so you guys can send me stuff if you want to. I'll try and incorporate what I can into the videos. So yeah, if you guys do send me stuff, that's pretty awesome. I never thought people would want to do that. Oh, look at that sun. Just a few clouds in the sky. Bright sun. Amazing. All the fresh powder a man could ask for. And here's that same spot from previous videos. There's these big dips. Oh, oh, oh. And here we go. They haven't groomed the trails in a while since the storm. Make it up this big hill. A little bit of hill climbing. Little hill climbing going on here. And whoa! Oh man! And here we are at the post office. I'll park over here. Boom! Just like that. I'll be back. And all right, we're right back at it. Here we go. There we are. They really mounted this up. You gotta jump into the snowmobile trail. There we go. Yeah, back on the road. Oh, I hate doing this. I absolutely hate it, but you gotta do it. Probably gonna need new skis next year. If I keep this snowmobile. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. You guys tell me what snowmobile I should get. Give me your ideas. I want to see what you guys think. Because I am tempted to buy a new snowmobile. I like this one, it's pretty great, but I don't know, I like new snowmobiles. I won't tell you what my favorite snowmobile is yet. I'll save that for the Q&A, but you guys tell me what you think I should get. You know what I'm going to do now? I brought my selfie stick. I think it's still back there at least. Let's try some of that, shall we? Boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom. We'll get this guy going. There we go. Hey, what's up? Let's get going. Woo, before my cameras die. What is that noise on my track? Whoa. Oh, what is that noise? Whenever I try and boondock, I get like this really nasty rumbling. I wonder if my track's slipping. If I need to tighten my track. Oh, that's a terrible noise. I can feel it in my seat. That's not cool. I got the selfie stick out and everything. That's too bad. Anyways, it's a cool shot, isn't it? I think it's a cool shot. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to end the video right here. As always, I want to thank you for watching. And be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I got new videos every Tuesday and every Saturday. So once again, my friends, thanks for watching. And I will see you next time. Kaboom!